Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And as someone pointed out about my last video on this radio right here, is if you go directly to the radio on Amazon, they're all the same price, and they're still $9.97. But what I did in the previous video is I used this option to list my orders. I looked at my order for that particular radio, which I got for $9.97, and when I clicked on the item, then it gave me the higher prices. And that's the gentleman suggested maybe the prices are higher because I bought it before. Why that would be, I have no idea. But anyway, you can still get it for $9.97, and you can get it in any of the 4 configurations. So check that out. I think this is a great buy, and it's in my Amazon store. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the gentleman that pointed this out. Bye-bye.